The creamiest homemade hummus with just a few ingredients. Let's make creamy homemade hummus. First prepare the tahini. Dry roast white sesame seeds until aromatic. Then let them cool completely. Transfer them to a mixer jar. Add olive oil. Blend into a smooth creamy paste. Traditionally, hummus is made with garlic, black pepper, salt, and ice cube. Now add a boiled chickpeas. But for a little more flavor, I am also adding fresh coriander and green chilli. Black pepper powder. Add salt. Add ice cubes for extra creamy texture. Blend everything until thick, smooth, and creamy. Drizzle generously with olive oil. Add lemon juice. And your delicious homemade hummus is ready. Enjoy with warm pita bread and crispy falafel.